Welcome to Pointa. Let's get you started. Through your web browser, visit app.hellopointa.com. You'll arrive at the login page. Use your email and password you'll have just set up to log into your business account. Select Sign In and your appointment book will appear. First, we're going to jump in and set up some business details. In the menu on the left, down the bottom, select Settings, followed by Business. Check to ensure any preloaded details are correct, then continue to fill in the text boxes as required, including uploading a logo if you wish. This will be visible on the online booking page if you have this added to your package. Scroll down, fill in any personal contact details, and then further scroll to fill in your business address. This will also be visible on your online booking page and your receipts. Once completed, select Save Changes in the bottom right and ensure you get the green confirmation pop-up. Next, we're moving on to creating payment types. Select Settings on the left panel again, and then select Payment Types. In the top right, select New Payment Type. Here we have two boxes requiring input. The name is whatever you wish to be visible to select at checkout, and then choose from the drop-down the applicable option. When it comes to EFTPOS, we're going to call it Card for simplicity, and then you'll see in the drop-down there are multiple options. We will select manual card here, but if you have an integrated EFTPOS machine, then you can choose the applicable EFTPOS provider from the list. Select Save and create any other payment types as needed. Then we'll move on to adding our registers. After selecting Branches and Registers from the left, in the top right corner click on the three dots and create a new register. You'll likely just have the one, so you can name this as suitable and save. Then select the blue text of your newly added register and switch on all applicable payment types. Staff and rosters. First, we will set up default roster times with your business opening hours. Under Settings, select Appointment Book and scroll down to Roster. Don't worry about adjusting the hours for any closed days, these hours aren't visible anywhere public. Don't forget to scroll to the bottom and save any changes made. To then create staff members, select Staff in the left-hand menu and click on the plus symbol. Proceed to fill in all of your staff details. The username will be the name featured on the appointment book. If you would like to utilise the clocking in and out functionality and for your staff to have their own login, then you will need to select the Pointa user checkbox. This will require an email address and phone number to be added. Then select authority level. Save this, and now we can create their roster. Select Roster in the blue text to bring down the window. Click Add Roster and you'll see a date range available. If you're creating an ongoing roster, then uncheck the Temporary Roster and adjust the start date as needed. Select all of their relevant days of work and adjust all of their times as necessary. Scroll down and you can also check whether these staff are available for booking online before saving. Now if we head back to our appointment book, we should see our staff member listed. Let's move on to create our products and services. From the left-hand menu, select Products and Services followed by Items. Create a new item in the top right corner. Add your products as needed, but I'm going to jump straight into showing you how to create services. Create a new category or select a pre-existing one from the drop-down. Take into consideration that these categories will be used to group your services on your online booking page. Name your service as appropriate along with the description. And before scrolling down, take note of the checkboxes to the left. With the Available Online checkbox, there may be some services that are part of packages, but not available for individual booking, such as a cut or colour, as you will likely want to have this bundled with a wash or blow wave. This is part of creating packages, which we'll move on to shortly. For now, we will scroll down. Here you will see booking duration and booking gap. Duration is hands-on time for the service, and booking gap is time following the service, such as colour processing time, before you can move on to the next service. If this isn't applicable to the service type, then just leave this blank. We'll then further scroll to add a price for the service before selecting Save. Scroll back to the top and continue to add your services. Once we have created all of our services, we can now build packages. Select New Item once again, but this time select Package. Name your package accordingly and scroll down. Add your package components in their order of booking. You can drag to reorder if needed by clicking on the cluster of dots to the left of the text. You can override the combined price of the individual components by adding in a new sale price. Now that we've successfully created our products and services, you can visit your online booking page at bookings.hellopointa.com/your business name. And now that your business is all set up, welcome to Pointa.